How to turn off active status on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn off the active status on TikTok, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to turn off the active status on TikTok, it's quite very simple to do so. Open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side, then simply go to Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, you want to go to the option called Privacy, and here you'll find an option that says Activity Status. So if you want to turn off your activity status, just turn off this toggle. When it is turned on, it will get highlighted in blue. When it is turned off, it is going to get grayed out. So once you've done that, your active status is now turned off. This way you'll be able to turn off the active status on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.